Hi friends, welcome back. I hope you all will be fine. Are you tired of chemical based harsh beauty products and want some natural solution? Keep watching this video to get a best natural solution. Due to our busy lifestyle, having a beautiful glowing skin remains only a dream. So with that said, I would like to share a homemade whitening cream recipe that you can use. In addition to that, a lot of other factors like improper diet, pollution, ultraviolet rays from sun, and stress could damage your skin. In this situation, using safe and natural products is a good idea. Now come to the recipe of whitening cream. To prepare this cream, you will need fresh milk 3 tablespoons, rose water 3 tablespoons, turmeric 1/4 teaspoon, camphor 1/4 teaspoon, baking powder half teaspoon, fresh cream 1 1/2 teaspoon. Mix all the ingredients well. Your cream is ready. Take enough amount of cream and apply on your face for half an hour. Then wash with fresh water. Use daily or until you get desired results. You can store this mix for 10 days in refrigerator. Please do try. Thanks for watching.